First, drag the image of post template. Fill background color by selecting proper color and pressing Alt plus backspace. Make a new layer above background layer. Choose soft round brush tool. Increase its size by pressing right bracket. Paint white in the middle of canvas. Then change its blending mode to overlay. Duplicate this layer and decrease its opacity. Then select Layer and Make Group by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now drag the image of girl and adjust its size and position properly. Now, make layer mask on girl image layer. Press Ctrl and lift-click with mouse on template layer to make its selection. Then paint black on layer mask of girl image to remove unwanted area. Now right-click on post template layer and choose blending options. Then give drop shadow effect. Adjust the values accordingly. Make new adjustment layer of exposure above girl image. Fill its layer mask with black by pressing Alt plus backspace. Then slowly paint white where you want shadows on girl image to show up. Now drag the cloud image and place it behind the template. Adjust its size and position. Change its blending mode to overlay. Make its duplicate by pressing Ctrl plus J and adjust its position as well. Now drag the new image of leaves. Adjust its position properly. Make its duplicate by pressing Ctrl plus J and bring that layer above the template. Then adjust its positions as well. Make another duplicate and adjust this at the left now. Remove unwanted areas by painting black on its layer mask. Now, drag the images of parrots. Adjust their sizes and then positions accordingly. Now, import another image of pattern background and place just above the background color layer. Change its blending mode to multiply and decrease its opacity to 2%. Now write text with text tool. Change its font to Hansta Signature. Duplicate text layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Edit the text and change its font to Stretch Pro. Give them color by pressing Alt plus backspace. Make new adjustment layer, solid color above text layers. Choose its color and change its blending mode to screen. Then fill its layer mask with black, and then paint white where you want the glow to be shown. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge all the layers together. Choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.